it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing our October Facetory unboxing and September Facetory review. If you are familiar with these videos, what I do is I unbox and go through all the masks I just received, and then I review all the masks I received the month before, whether they worked for my skin or not. And so this is kind of a longer video, but I don't want to just unbox something and not tell you how it is. So that's what we're doing. And Facetory, if you don't know, is a Korean sheet mask subscription service. It is, I believe, just under $20 for 7 masks sent to you every month. If you want 4 masks, it's less expensive than that, but I will have their website and information down below. Let's just get started. Ah! The inside is so cute. It says Glow Up Sis, and this is in collaboration with AchelTheGreat. I don't know. Somebody, I have no idea who they are. It's in collaboration with somebody. And oh, here's a little information on this somebody. Hi, I am so excited for you to experience some of my favorite Facetory sheet masks. These masks focus on hydration, my secret weapon to looking 20 at 30, so no matter what skin type you have, these masks will work for you. So get ready to be pampered. Pour yourself a non-alcoholic drink, put on some soothing tunes, and visualize that glow up sis. I don't know whether it's Asia or Aja, I'm not sure, but it also has the instructions like it normally does. And then more stickers! Yay! I get so excited for stickers. I don't know why. These are so cute. Look at the little puppies. Okay, and then yellow paper. Yay, yellow paper. Okay, let's get into this. So the first mask we have is the Facetory Glow Baby Glow Mask. Hopefully this one I can actually try, because every Facetory mask up until this point has had no ingredients. And this one is a 2-step mask with a soothing ampule packed with antioxidants, and a mask which is brightening and soothing with niacinamide. And just looking at the ingredients, it looks like I will have to let my fiance try this one because it has aloe in it and soy, 2 of my big bad ingredients that just make my skin very unhappy. So unfortunately I will not be able to try this, but my fiance does do these masks with me, so this is definitely one for him, although he hates 2-step masks, but he's gonna do it. Next is the Calining Hydration Therapy Mask. It is packed with mulberries, which is supposed to give you healthier looking skin, brighten, improve the look of an uneven skin tone. And this one looks like it's all safe for me, so I'm really excited to try this one because I've never used mulberry that I'm aware of, so I'm excited to see what mulberry can do for my skin. Oh, this one is cool! Look at this one! Oh my gosh, this is unique packaging. I'm excited about this. So this is the 23 years old Seaweed Silky Mask, and it has, oh, I forgot to say the price. Let me rewind. So on the Facetory one, it's $5. On the Calining one, it is $6. And on this Seaweed Silky Mask, it is $7. And this one has Capotis japonica extract, which is skin calming and nourishing, and algae, which is anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing. So that sounds fantastic. I want all of those things to happen to my skin. And this is the coolest packaging. Like, I'm so fascinated by this like semi-see-through packaging. It's so cool. This one's cool too though. This one's cool too. This is the G9 Skin Banana Milk Balm Mask, and it looks like a freaking little milk carton, and it has banana fruit extract, which will act as a gentle exfoliant while moisturizing and softening your skin. And this one retails for $3.50, and I gotta say, I freaking love bananas. It's one of my favorite fruits, so I'm really excited to like have the smell of bananas while I'm masking. Like, I hope it smells like bananas. I really do. Then we have the Dr. Glowderm Tab RX Whitening Mask. And like I've said before, whitening tends to mean brightening, so it's not gonna bleach your skin, but it's gonna lighten any dark spots or hyperpigmentation. And it has niacinamide, and there is also an oil capsule which helps improve the appearance of dry skin and works to retain the skin's moisture levels. And there's 2 ways you can apply this, and this like super cool looking mask with the multi-steps, only $3.50. That's awesome. And I don't know, I think this one sounds like a lot of fun, and I kind of have some spots that need brightening, so I'm doing this one. This one's all for me. Then we have the Mediskin Intensive Moisture and Calming Mask, and this one has Centella asiatica extract, which helps inflammation and provides anti-aging properties, and tea tree, which is soothing and helps treat acne. And this one retails for $4 US. And I have used some Mediskin masks before, and I think been happy with them. They do have the ingredients here in English, and it looks like no soy or aloe or anything like that I'm really worried about. So I'm excited to try this one when I am having breakouts or anything like that. Then we have the Meg 2-Step Jelly Mask Moisturizing and Vitalizing. This is $6 US, and it has an AHA peeling swab with lactic acid and a jelly mask with blueberry fruit extract and soybean seed extract. So unfortunately, I won't be able to use this one, but it is said to add moisture and anti-age and reduce sun damage such as dryness and wrinkles, as well as provide anti-aging benefits. Sounds really amazing, but I just can't do soy. It just breaks me out in hives if I get it on my skin. So this will be a fiance mask, and I hope he has fun with the 2 steps because, you know, he loves those 2 steps. So it looks like there are 5 that I can try and 2 for Justin. So not bad, not the best, but not bad. And I'm really excited for a lot of these, but especially this really cool packaging one. I don't know, really fun packaging just gets to me. And that's the October box. So let's get into reviewing the September box. Now, I do get my boxes late in the month because I signed up late in the month. So that's why, you know, it's the first week of November and I'm just now doing my October unboxing. So first is the Facetory Whoa That H2O Hydrating Mask. It is a 2-step mask that retailed for $5, and it is supposed to be hydrating and smoothing, and Justin tried this one because it did have soy in it. It seems like Facetory likes to put soy in all of their masks. Unfortunately, I can't try those masks without getting hives. And he said his skin was quite red and irritated after trying this mask, and he didn't notice any improvements in his skin either. So this is a not recommend. Definitely not worth $5 if you're just going to be irritated and not see any differences. So I would say if you have sensitive skin, stay away from this one, unfortunately. Then we have the Nada, the Yellow Sheet Mask, which retails for $4, and it is supposed to give your skin a quick pick-me-up. I tried this one. I felt it moisturized even my skin tone. My skin felt and looked really good after trying this one. I would definitely pay $4 for this one. I recommend this one for sure. Next we have the Hello Skin Jumiso Hydration Mask, which retails for $3.50 and is supposed to hydrate and relax and soften and detoxify. And I again tried this one. For me, I found it was really hydrating. It did smooth. It smelled really good. It was like kind of a spa-like scent, and it was just a really relaxing experience. So I would definitely purchase this again. I did enjoy this mask a lot. Next we have the Merbliss Nurse Healing Intense Soothing Mask, which retails for $4. This is supposed to be soothing and healing and protect you from damage. Not just heal from damage, but protect you from damage. And I again tried this one. Justin only tried one this month, so I tried all of these. And I felt it not only smoothed and made my skin luminous, but it also made my skin a little more bright and even toned. Like any dark spots, it brightened those up, and my skin looked a little more clear and even. So I really enjoyed this mask. I would definitely purchase it again. The $4 price seems worth it to me. I really recommend it. Next we have the Intercalia Cream Mask Pack Whitening. It retails for $3.50 and is supposed to make your skin go from dull to radiant. It's brightening, reduces fine lines, large pores, and is soothing and evens out skin tone. And I felt that it did all that it claimed to do. It brightened, it evened, it really just overall improved the look of my skin. And I felt like this is the kind of mask I would want to do before an event or something like that, where I really just quickly want to throw it on and take it off and just have better looking skin. So I would definitely recommend this mask. I think it is a great mask, and yeah, definitely repurchase. Next we have the 23 years old Citra Dermaseal mask, which retails for $7. And it is a egg membrane mask that is supposed to treat the skin and maximize moisture retention and also calm the skin and treat damaged skin. So it's supposed to do a lot, and I felt it was hydrating, it was smoothing, like my fine lines looked a bit smoother, and it evened out my skin tone and it brightened. So basically everything I want a mask to do, this mask did. The egg membrane was a little bit weird, but it wasn't like unpleasant or uncomfortable. I would definitely repurchase this. This is a recommended mask. And if you didn't know, all of the masks I recommend and say that I would repurchase, I link them individually down below. If you don't want to sign up for a subscription, but you're interested in these individual masks, Facetory does sell masks individually and you can go pick them up. And a lot of the times they have sales and deals like buy one, get one free or 15% off or things like that. So you can always pick up these masks individually. Finally, we have the Better Skin Premium Volcanic Ash and Botanical Fermentation Detoxing Sheet Mask, which retails for $7. It is supposed to treat irritated skin, blemishes, and acne, as well as give you a dewy glow, provide deep moisture, and leave you radiant, soft, and healthy. So I tried this one. Obviously, I tried this one. I've already said I tried all of the ones but the first one. Anyway, I tried this one and I felt like it gave me a really deep clean, and my pores were cleared out and my skin was really soft, not drying at all. I really enjoyed it. If I was feeling really yucky and dirty, I would definitely want to use this again. Definite repurchase. So for the month of September, we have 6 repurchases and 1 not repurchase. So I say September is a win, totally worth it. I'm very happy with my box, and I definitely think you guys should check Facetory out. Like I said, their information will be down below. I'm so excited to try these masks and let you know what I think next month. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!